Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is going to be another makeup look that is suitable for prom night. So we are divided into three groups and I belong to Team of Rebels. So Rebels are the group of girls that doesn't follow the dress code for JS prom. So basically, if you're planning to wear a different kind of dress or a different color of dress, you might want to consider this look. So now I am going to transform from this nerdy type of girl into a very fine young lady. So let's begin. Okay, so magta-taglish na ako para mas madali ko ma-explain. First, i-prep muna natin yung ating skin. I'm using here my Fix Plus para mas tumagal yung makeup. So sa foundation, make sure na yung gagamitin nyo has no SPF para walang white ka sa photos, hindi magmukhang multo. Now, naglagay lang ako ng concealer to hide my pimples and or any imperfections that I have, and make sure to set it with powder. So here I am doing the baking method para lang medyo makontour yung face ko for the illusion of slimmer face. And now for the eye makeup, prime your lids para mas tumagal yung eye makeup. And ang ginamit ko ditong eyeshadow is the Ever Bilena palette para mas affordable and mas maraming makarelate kasi mas affordable siya. So yun, just follow the steps that I am doing in this video. So yan, medyo nakulangan lang ako sa pigmentation niya, so ginamitan ko na lang ng Fix Plus. In-spray ko siya sa brush para kahit paano maging pigmented siya. So yun. And also, don't forget to define your lower lash line with the brown shadow para mas mag-balance out yung eyes nyo. And also, don't forget the inner corners para mas mabuhay yung mata. Next, lining my eyes with liquid eyeliner from Careline. So, mas okay gumamit sa akin. Para sa akin, mas okay gumamit ng liquid eyeliner kasi mas madali siyang gamitin. And for my kilay, I used this Daiso Angled Brow Pencil. So, sobrang mura niya, 88 pesos lang, and it works really well. And of course, don't forget to brush it up with a spoolie para mas natural tignan, hindi siya mukhang fake na fake tignan. And parang nag-drawing lang ako ng medyo lines niya, parang buhok yung itsura niya. So yan, and just brush it off. And of course, don't forget to set this with an eyebrow gel. I'm using here the one from Nichido. Yan, yung Nichido. So yan, para hindi siya gumalaw, hindi maalis yung sa posisyon yung kilay nyo. Next is to contour my face or just to give depth to my face para hindi lang mukhang flat. So, ginamit ko rin to actually for nose contour. Pero, I don't suggest to use this one kasi masyado siyang orange. So, hanap na lang kayo ng much better hanap kayo ng eyeshadow na hindi masyadong orange, parang brown lang. So, yun. So, for the blush, I used these two colors and lagay nyo lang yung 2 fingers nyo doon sa inyong cheeks para hindi lumagpas yung blush. Hanggang dyan lang siya. Kasi pangit na kapag lumagpas doon. So, parang nagiging chubby cheeks pag lumagpas doon. So, yun. Ginamit ko rin yung white shimmery shadow para highlight. Kasi hindi ako gagamit ng mamahaling highlighter dito. So, yan. Ginamit ko lang yung kung ano yung nasa palette. So, curl your lashes and apply mascara and make sure na waterproof. And of course, don't forget your lower lashes. Yan. So, for the lips, I torn between these two lipsticks. Nude at saka isang parang reddish violet na lips. So, depende na sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong lipstick. So, yeah, that is the final look. So, I hope you like this look and like this video if nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood and sa aking voiceover na Taglish. And yun lang. So, see you again on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!